Your customer support team can't cope with a huge pile of tickets. You are trying to find a better solution, and you don't know how to move your data. So, what do? Migrate to Zendesk with Help Desk Migration Service. Make your Zendesk import automated, smooth, and secure with the Migration Wizard. Just connect your source and target platforms and move your data to Zendesk. Spend less time on an onboarding process and more on helping your customers. Enrich your database by importing records from other help desks, CSV files, or merge 2 Zendesk instances to get all your customer data consolidated in one place. The automated data migration tool has a rich feature set, including group matching, agent matching, and ticket field mapping. Need to sort out your tickets? Add a new tag to the migrated tickets. Your tickets got images inside? Migrate them to a new platform as ticket attachments. Got some large files that can be left behind? Just skip attachments and speed up your migration. This out-of-the-box customization is truly a valuable option for individual and unique projects. How will your records look like on a new platform? Check it out while running a free test Zendesk import. Planning matters a lot. Choose the most suitable time and schedule your import. Need some changes and remigrate your data? Such a service is available too. During the migration, got a bunch of new tickets and a couple of changes to the existing ones? Go for a Delta migration to update your data on a new platform. Your data import to Zendesk is cost-effective as you pay only for records you've chosen to migrate. Pick up a suitable support plan and leave your Zendesk import to the Help Desk Migration Service.